I am sentences learn with sidra. I am combing my hair. I am combing my hair. I am teaching in a class. I am teaching in a class. We are sitting under a tree. We are sitting under a tree. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. I am playing a football. I am playing a football. I am suffering from high fever. I am suffering from high fever. I am writing a story. I am writing a story. I am washing my hands. I am washing my hands. I am taking a bath. I am taking a bath. I am washing my face. I am washing my face. I am cutting my nails. I am cutting my nails. I am taking my breakfast. I am taking my breakfast. I am watching a movie. I am watching a movie. I am wearing my shirt. I am wearing my shirt. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. Subscribe for more videos.